Hey guys, welcome back. I am Justin, and today I will teach you how to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. So let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. It is important to note that you must have a business account on TikTok. To access the TikTok Shop feature, ensure that you are logged in to a business account before proceeding. From here, click the top right corner of the profile page to open Settings. Click on Settings and Privacy section. After, tap on the option for Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage various account preferences. On the Account Settings page, look for the option Switch to Personal Account. Tap on this option to switch your account type from business to personal. TikTok will likely prompt you with a confirmation message informing you that switching to a personal account will remove certain business account features, including the TikTok Shop from your profile. If you are sure you want to remove the TikTok Shop feature, tap on Switch anyway. Once you've completed the switch to a personal account, TikTok will remove the TikTok Shop feature from your profile, along with any other business-related functionalities. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.